This is how the Meet or Beat That Price application works on Universal Bid Central's website. From the home page, you can scroll down to the middle and select the category that you want to search. In this case, we can try car wash. You just click on it. On the new page, you can just enter the zip code of the area you want to search and the radius in miles from your location, and then click search. And the search result page will display the merchants that have stored and saved bidding parameters in the database. In this case, there's 4 merchants, all of them with different asking prices. Like, for example, this one is $20, $22, $15, $12 for a full service car wash. From the display results, the customer can choose which merchants he wants to make them compete and try to meet each other's prices. For example, here we're gonna click on Z2, who has an asking price of $22, and Z1, who has a $20 asking price, and then make them compete. And winner is Z2 at $13.72 for a full service car wash. This means that the limiting parameters of both merchants were put into play, and the winning merchant came just a percentage under the limiting parameter of the other merchant. Another example could be company Z3 with an asking price of $15. We're going to make him compete against company Z4 with $12 asking price, and see what kind of result we obtain by clicking here. So the winning price was from company Z3 at $7.06. Again, this means that the limiting parameters of both merchants were put into play, compared against each other, and the limiting parameters of merchant Z3 came a percentage under the lowest price limiting parameter of the competing merchant. If we were going to make the winning merchant that won at $7.06 against merchant Z4, but we're gonna make him compete against the $20 merchant, we can see that the price is different, which again proves that the price adjusts itself in relation to the limiting parameters of the competing merchant. The same principle applies to our application that can be found on Google's Android phones. Today we're going to do a demonstration using All Change Businesses. Clicking here, and the system identified 4 member merchants, which in this case they're all samples, with prices ranging from $35 to $25. In the case a customer has a coupon like this one from Pro Quick Lube, $16.95 full service oil change, the customer will have to find that particular business by scrolling down. There it is, and hand enter the value of the coupon. Enter again, and then have that business compete with our member merchants. In this case, we're going to compare it against the $35 merchant Y3. We click there, and then make them compete. And we can see that our member merchant came down just a fraction of a percentage under the value of the coupon to beat that price. This demonstrates that member merchants do not have to always advertise their bottom line price, but their asking price adjusts automatically when or if needed to match or beat a competitor's price.